what are you demoing today?
I'm demoing computers doing mathematics and doing real mathematics. So why do you want to use a computer for doing maths? Well, there was an answer in a recent issue of the Notices of the AMS, and that boils down to we need to use computers when part of the maths involves computers, like proving the four-color theorem or Kepler's conjecture. To improve refereeing, because about a quarter of the published papers have major flaws in them, and also to explore structure of and find new ways, new structures in mathematics. So here's a real math proof. It's a proof of a familiar formula for determinants. So here's the definition of a determinant. Here's a theorem we want to prove. Determinants distribute over product. And the proof of this involves lots of complicated manipulations, and some of them involve logic, like when you want to rename indices. And you want to be able to capture all that on a computer. And the technical proof for this is this much of gobbledygook. And this gobbledygook is actually a major improvement over the state of the art, because if you compare it to the gobbledygook you have to type just to get the computer to print a proof, it's actually shorter. And the big difference is that this gobbledygook can be engineered. You can run an interactive system that will tell you if each step is correct, and that will prompt you with what you need to do for the next step. And I have a little example of this with a familiar algorithm for decomposing a matrix into two triangular product of two triangular matrices.
This one is that it shouldn't be on, so I plan the new how to recover, which is not the greatest setting.
Switch
So
screens.
I just
So here's the algorithm, and this is straight out of the Corman textbook.
maybe put it there.
And here's the proof of the algorithm, and as you see, the proof is not longer than the algorithm itself. And you can run this proof interactively, and at each step the computer will tell you exactly what piece of matrix algebra you have to do. And that's my system for doing computer mathematics.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.